You don't live here, so stop playing games.
And do your job.
Port St. Lucie, Florida, August 28, 2025. Ancient investigation of trespassing and criminal mischief.
Hello, this is Officer Hernandez with the Port St. Lucie Police Department.
Hey, how you doing, Officer Hernandez?
Good, how are you doing?
Doing good. You calling about the situation that I just called about?
I am.
Yeah. My neighbors are Jamaican, so I never seen a white person over there. There's a lady that's on the front driveway. It looked like she damaged the side yard hose, and she has the hose pulled out to the driveway. She's sitting on the driveway barefoot. It looked like she's wearing like damn near booty shorts and a white beater, and she sprayed like the hose is like squirting. She's squirting water on the middle of the street. And she just down her phone or something like that. I'm not sure if she's still there. My wife is she's heading back to the house right now.
Okay, and what was it?
It seems to me like the yard hose, like you know where you roll your hose up for the yard hose.
Like the sprinklers?
Yeah, the sprinklers, but it's not a sprinkler, just the hose that you pull out if you want to like wash your car.
I gotcha, yeah.
Or your lawn. So she damaged that, and then she took her socks and threw it on our driveway. I don't know. I don't know if these people know her because, like I said, I've never seen any white people over there at their house before. They're all Jamaican.
I got you.
So
Have you ever seen her in the area? Hello?
Go ahead. What was it? I'm in Texas right now. The connection's kind of shaky.
I got you. I said, have you ever seen her around in the area?
Huh?
Have you ever seen her?
I never seen this. I never seen her around there. That's why I'm calling. I have a picture of her too. If you want a picture, if you want to give me if you need that, if she's walking around, because she's walking around, so I'm assuming she lives somewhere in the area or she got lost. I don't know which one of the two, because there's no way you're gonna take off your shoes and socks and be barefoot in a neighborhood that's not yours, or if you're not within a 10-minute walking radius.
So you didn't observe her, but your wife did, correct?
Yeah. She's in the house right next to her.
Okay, and do you have any of the neighbors' information?
No, I don't. I don't have any of my neighbors' information. But I don't want that lady to know that my wife called in, because if she was walking around, I don't want her to come back retaliate or something. If she's doing that, I don't know what else she's capable of.
I got you. No worries. Okay, I'm on my way there now. I'll make contact with the female if she's still there, and I'll try to get in contact with the neighbors and try to see what's going on, okay?
Yeah, because their car's in the driveway. That's why I'm confused.
Okay, so they're possibly home?
They may be home, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'll try to make contact with them, and I'll give you a call if I have any questions, okay?
All right, cool. Thank you. What was the name again? You said Catherine?
Hernandez.
Oh, Hernandez. All right, Officer Hernandez. Have a good one.
I do think. How are you?
Great. How about yourself?
Good. What's going on today? Oh. You live here? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
No.
No?
No.
Alright. Where's the hose running?
Just trying to clean the car.
You're trying to clean the car? Alright, we're gonna turn it off, okay?
Okay, go for it.
What's your name?
Shelby.
Shelby. What you doing outside?
I'm just chilling.
Just chilling?
Yep.
And you say you live here?
Yep.
Okay. This your car?
Yep.
And you say you live here?
Yep.
Okay, there's no one at the house? Okay. What's a good phone number for you? You got any middle name?
Yeah, it's Marie.
Do you have any type of proof that you live here at all? You got mail that gets here or anything like that?
No, I don't need it. I get everything electronically.
Okay, can I see it? Showing that you live at 2032?
No.
Okay.
You hear the dogs inside sleeping. I'm literally just sitting outside.
Okay, it's because we have some neighbors calling in saying that you were here and you're not supposed to be here. You don't live here. They've never seen you around this residence, that's why.
Oh, okay.
So do you have any type of proof that you reside here?
Why do you need to know? It's none of the neighbors.
Okay.
Where'd you live before this?
Why do you want to know?
Huh?
Why do you want to know?
I don't know. You don't think this is a little strange, miss? Sitting in the driveway with the hose running? It's a little strange. We're just trying to figure out if you need any help or
good.
What kind of dogs are in there?
How do you want to know?
Just curious, just making conversation, that's all. All right.
Okay, so do you have any type of identification showing proof that you live here?
TSL main dispatch.
Because this car doesn't come back to you. You're not. Your neighbors have never seen you around in the area, or at least at this residence.
I wouldn't go any further back there.
So what are you doing here?
I literally.
You live here? Can you show me some type of proof that you live here?
No.
Okay. Do you know if anyone's inside? Who? Okay. How long have you been living here for then?
Does not matter. Just calm down.
How long have you been living here for then? So you're telling me you live here.
I'll see you later. Cheers.
Where are you going?
No answer. Is she gonna fucking break in this house now? All right, the party's over, Shelby. We gotta go.
Okay.
All right. Where do you really live?
Huh?
Where do you really live?
Why do you want to know?
Because you're about to get collared for trespassing right now. It's not really funny.
I mean, I don't know at this point.
All right, very
You
good.
pulled my record. I really don't give a shit. Just let me enjoy the music.
You can enjoy the music all you want. It's a free country, not on somebody else's property. This is not your house, right? So the party's over. All right, let's go find your shoes and let's go back home.
Can I please just avoid
No, let's go. I'm over it by now. Let's go.
No, I'm good.
Got freaking bit up by ants and I'm not in a good mood now. So let's go.
Well, you seem-
The game's over. Come on.
I'm just
Shelby, where do you reside?
Don't figure it out.
That's what we figured out so far. Which one of those?
So what are you doing here?
It's over there.
Okay, what are you doing here?
I
You don't live here, so stop playing games.
Okay.
So what are you doing here?
I'm just vibing with the dogs.
Do you know anyone that lives here?
Shelby, you on any medication or drugs right now?
Shelby, are you on any medication? Are you diagnosed with anything?
Hook her up and figure it out. Or... We still don't have this person, right? The neighbor called them? Yeah, I guess so.
You want to hang out with us?
Yeah, I'd love to. Do you know this woman?
Threshold. The detention is predicated on reasonable suspicion per Florida Statute 901.11, Stop and Frisk Law. Reliable citizen testimony regarding property damage, FS 80613, provides the legal basis to override consensual encounter status. Classicus. Per Terry v. Ohio, the officer has the authority to maintain the status quo while verifying investigative facts. Under Hebel v. 6th Judicial District, a subject's refusal to identify during a lawful Terry stop is not protected by the Fifth Amendment. In Florida, stop and identify applies when there is reasonable suspicion of a crime. Refusal constitutes obstruction under FS 843 Sue 2. Identifying one's himself is a statutory obligation during detention. Failure to comply escalates a citation level event to a custodial arrest. Cause development. The subject's attempt to enter a non-verified residence creates a prima facie risk of burglary. FS 810-2.
Do you live here? Okay. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Do you live here?
Yep.
Who else is in here?
Nobody.
Just you?
There's a bunch of cameras.
Do you have an ID that shows that you live here?
I have my work shit. Come here.
Okay, hold on. Let me step out for a moment.
Who do you live with?
Don't freaking worry about
Who
it.
do you live with?
Don't worry about it.
Who do you live with?
Don't worry about it.
You got roommates or anything that we can speak with that could confirm that you live here?
Don't worry about it.
What are you diagnosed with?
Don't worry about it. Just stop asking questions and just vibe.
No, I'm not trying to buy. I'm trying to figure out where
You don't
where
need
you're
to
from.
know. You can run everything and figure it out. You just told me. That's it. Just shut your.
Well, I'm asking you where you freaking live.
I don't care. He's doing his job. You shut the up and do your job. Got a code.
Alright, well, if your ring went off, why didn't it go to your phone?
You don't need to know
Because you
why.
don't live here?
Somebody else lives here.
Who lives here?
Don't worry about it. Shut up.
You know you're gonna be arrested, right?
Yeah, I'm already arrested. Who cares?
You're being detained right now, so we figure everything out.
Okay. You shut the and do your
No,
job.
that
You
ain't gonna
follow.
happen.
You shut your mouth.
No, that ain't gonna
and
happen.
you follow his command.
Unfortunately, kick me
You
again.
shut
Kick
your
me
lips.
again.
Shut
Kick
your
me
lips.
again.
Shut your lips
Kick
and
me
follow
again.
with your eyes.
Kick me again.
I'm not giving. I don't want your gun. I'm trying to show you how to.
Alright, let's put her in the car for now.
Shut the fuck
They
up.
come back to
Follow.
here, but nothing with her name.
Down.
Hispanic last name.
Then I was calling here and it went straight to voicemail. She called.
Shut the fuck up.
There's like weird no smoking signs in there, like it's an Airbnb maybe,
Yeah.
or
I'll say hello, the address, and get phone
Okay.
numbers.
watch for ants.
You got anything on you?
Toast.
No.
Quit it. Stop moving.
Stay on the car, Shelby. I'll tighten this one up a little bit. Okay.
Can you just go get my cell phone?
Nope.
Okay.
Officers may use measured force per Graham v. Connor to prevent entry into a structure during an active investigation. Statutory classifications resisting without violence, FS 84302, occurs when a subject physically tenses or prevents the lawful execution of duty. Chef. FS 806 third. The threshold for damage under $200 remains a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying up to 1 year in county jail. Precies Illinois v. Wardlow confirms that evasive behavior in a high suspicion context bolsters the officer's right to detain. The right to remain silent exists, but it does not shield an individual from the requirement to provide pedigree information. public interest. This case demonstrates that vibing or chilling on private property, FS 81008, is legally subordinate to an owner's right to exclude. At governmental interest. The state's interest in preventing property damage outweighs the subject's temporary inconvenience during a brief seizure. At analysis, stacking charges, FS 4302 plus S 80630, allows for significant fines and consecutive sentencing under Florida's penal code. Defense submissions. Affirmative defenses based on residency must be supported by tangible evidence, not mere verbal assertions during a stop. Experienced note, professionalism during detention prevents de facto escalation. The subject's hostility served as secondary evidence of erratic intent. Fourth Amendment recap. The seizure remained reasonable in scope and duration as his officers actively pursued proof of residency. Officer Safiti Dock Shrines. Securing a subject prior to structure entry is a validated safety protocol under the exigent circumstances framework. The subject will have the opportunity to challenge the reasonableness of the suspicion in a pre-trial evidentiary hearing. Custodial arrest for resisting without violence and criminal mischief. All defendants are presumed innocent until proven guilty. Knowledge is power. Understanding FS 901151 is essential for both law enforcement and citizens to ensure constitutional interactions.